fam! Welcome back sa ating channel, and this is Miss A again, your classy beauty savvy, giving you another makeup review. And today we will be reviewing the Sunnies Face Lip Dips, and I'm so excited kasi sobrang hype nitong product na to last week, and I've been wanting and meaning to get my hands on these, and finally I bought 3 shades and will be sharing with you my thoughts if I liked it or is it really worth the hype. So if you want to know my thoughts and my review on this one, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and of course hit the notification bell to give you notification every single time I upload. And of course, like this and share this to your friends and family who might want to try the Sunnies Face Lip Dip. Right! I got the goods right over here. Ito na ang ating mga Sunnies Face Lip Dips. So, I did not buy the entire collection, as you all know, because again, it's gonna be super duper expensive. Only got 3 shades, and I got my acrylic organizer here just to get that vibe of, the acrylic thing that Sunnies Face will give you if you buy the entire collection. They have that. And I got these 3 shades over here. And I can't wait to test it out. I haven't tried any of these. So let's see if it's really worth it. So come on, let's give it a try. Talk about the packaging. So of course, everyone knows that Sunnies Face really work with that, minimalistic and super posh design. Oh, by the way, umuulan ng bonggang-bongga ngayon habang ako'y nag-film. So if you can hear yung wind ng ating napakalakas na habagat, I'm very sorry. It's, I'll show you. Hold on. See that, guys? Sobrang lakas ng ulan. I'm just right beside the window. And you can see na dumadrama ngayon si habagat. So, yeah. Bear with me. Naka-jacket ang lola ninyo or naka-sweater because it's weather today. Anyway, let's talk about the packaging. Super duper sleek, super duper nice. It has this swatch at the back of the lip dip. We also have the ingredients over here, and it says here it's paraben free, it's cruelty free, and it also has 3.5 grams. And this one was made in Korea, and the expiration will be 2021. So that will be like 2 months or 2 months, 2 years from now. So maganda yon. Maganda yung kanyang shelf life. And then also we have, what else? We also have the name here, and it claims that these lip dips are, what do you call that? A whipped matte lip cream. And we have the color that you have chosen over this area, and this cost about 345 pesos sa mga Sunnies Face stores or stalls. I got mine sa SM Mega Mall because that's where masyadong mas malapit yun sa amin sa workplace. So that's where I get my Sunnies Face lip dips. Now let's talk about the entire, the exact thingy-majiggy over here. Right, so I got 3 shades, and I have the shades Peachy Kinda. I also have Boysenberry, and I also have Posh. Why did I choose these colors? 1 per shade range. Meron tayong light, meron tayong dark, and meron tayong parang chocolate color nila. I really love the entire thing here. Sobrang ganda. It has the Sunnies Face name over here, the name of the colors over here, and it's super duper matte. It really looks so good, and it has weight, so sobrang luxurious niya hawakan. Para siyang rubbery, pero hindi siya yung rubbery na malagkit because I've had those kinds of packaging before, pero ito sobrang ganda. Sobrang good. So, packaging wise, sold na tayo. But let's see kung ang produkto ba ay maganda. So, let's start off with Peachy Kinda. Okay. Okay, let's try this one first. Okay. It's peachy kinda. And let's open it. Smells so good. Yun nga, sabi nila it has this fruity scent, and the doe foot applicator looks like this. Just a regular doe foot applicator that we can buy from any kind of lipsticks or liquid lipsticks. So now, let's give it a swatch. So this is peachy kinda. Ooh, look at that. Sobrang bango talaga. And it looks so good. And let's give it a try. Swatch party! Before I share my final thoughts, let's just apply this all over my cheeks and also my eyelid, but not the shade, because this can get a little bit too bright for me. Perhaps sa lips, this will be our lip color, but for the other parts, I'll choose the other colors that I have gotten, and I'll be right back. There you go, fam. I already did the entire makeup look using the lip dips. So on my cheeks, I use this one, Posh. And on my eyelids, I use this one, kind of peachy or peachy kinda. So I use all of these colors to create this simple look. There. So I must say these lip dips are very multifunctional. You can use it as a lip color, as your cheeks blush, for your blush, and even for your eyeshadow. So they all work well. So sa 345 pesos na babayaran ninyo, it really is worth it. Sa dami ng function na magagawa niya for your look, it's really worth it. You can also use it even as like a gradient look for your lips. I think it's very effective. Lalo na si Boysenberry. Boysenberry is the best. Sobrang ganda nito. Also, for your cheeks, Posh looks very, very natural. It will give you that sun-kissed look na very good. And then the pigmentation is really nice. It blends so smoothly. When you blur it, it blurs into really beautiful blur na parang it's like a powdery form, na mousse form, na di ko siya ma-describe pero sobrang ganda ng quality niya. that it really works well for any kind of, function sa mukha ninyo. So, any kind of purpose, actually. So, very nice yun. 345 and 3.5 grams. You'll get so much use on this product. So, if you're still thinking about it and you're still not decided to buy the Sunnies Face Lip Dips because it's 345 pesos, medyo mataas nga naman yung presyo niya compared sa other lipsticks or what do you call this? Lip creams. You should definitely give it a try. This is something that you should, as a makeup lover, this is something that you should try. So yun, I highly suggest you guys buy Sunnies Face Lip Dips. They are really beautiful, and I'm so happy with how this look, like what I've created from the lip dips ones. And if you want to see how I did it, go to my IGTV. I've created a tutorial there so you can see how it blends on my skin as I apply the products. So yun, thank you so much for watching, fam. I can't wait to see you again on my next review. If you have any suggestions, ano ba ang pinaka gusto nyong mapanood na makeup review or any kind of video suggestion, please feel free to let me know by dropping a comment down below. Also, tell me if you have used the Sunnies Face Lip Dips, ano pa yung mga colors na I should try? Kasi itong tatlong to, I'm sold na eh. So, ano ba bang mga colors ang very effective and very beautiful sa inyong skin na you want me to try? So, yun lang. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. It really means a lot. And I hope to see you again on my next